Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be folding Origami Pikachu. For this I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the diagonal fold. Bring two sides to the center crease. To create the kite base. This is called kite base. Fold down this triangle. Then turn the model. Bring these two sides to the center crease. This is the pre-creasing which will help us in the next steps. Open the pre-creasing. Then make these creases on the same line. Only these two creases on the same line. Now you will be able to fold the flaps like this. This is called as rabbit ear fold. Now flatten the model like this. Make a petal fold over here by bringing two sides to the center crease. Fold down the triangle. Now open the flap and lift up one flap and bring two sides and collapse the model as shown. Now bring this tip to the center point and fold the flap down. Now lift one flap and fold it as demonstrated. Turn the model and bring two sides to the center crease. Turn the model, then open the flap like this and pull out to create the ears of the Pikachu. By maintaining the equal distance from this space to this space. Repeat the same thing on the other side. From this point to this point, fold down the triangle. Now open the flap carefully and flatten it as shown. Tuck in this flap under side flaps. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Now bring these two sides to the center crease to create the tail of the Pikachu. And fold this tail portion into half. Now open the flaps, and from this point to this point you can feel it from the back side. From this point you need to create a crease as demonstrated. Now collapse the model as shown. Do a zigzag fold for the tail. Origami Pikachu is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.